Don't be that one with the cracked feet and cracked lips this season. Flexitol, Heel Balm, and Lip Balm is what I recently discovered. This product is clinically proven and most people see a lot of results in one day. I'm in love with the balmy texture. It is very thick and smooth and it is not sticky or greasy whatsoever, so I can put on my shoes right away or I can throw on some socks to give it some extra help. The lip balm gets me right in just a couple of swipes. It's not sticky and I can use it day or night. These products are the true definition of the soft life. You can find Flexitol on Amazon.